Hello everybody, Dad here. I would like to give you a quick tutorial how to fix and disassemble and reassemble CRESSI Matrix diving and snorkeling mask. If you like me and you need a prescription lenses so you can see under the water and your mask accidentally broke because you drop it or just because it was too many years, then you actually don't need to pay again for very expensive prescription lenses, which can be easily $1,000, and you can buy a new mask and just reassemble it. And in 5 seconds I'll show you how to do that. I already disassembled it, so I can just walk you through. So there's one single screw right there that you need to remove. And when you remove it, here you go, you unscrew it from this position, then the bottom part can be removed after you slide those two latches out. So they look like this. So basically you push forward and you take it out. Here you go, you see? So after you remove both latches, then the bottom part will just go down and you take it out. After that you will left with this silicone insert that contain your lenses, and you just pop them in or out how you need to, and you assemble it back. So it's very easy, 5 seconds tutorial. Some people saying that you have to put some silicone grease in those areas so it doesn't leak. I think if you're snorkeling it's not that critical, but if you're actually diving, maybe it's a better way to do it, because it's a bigger pressure. But for me, I probably won't even bother to do with the additional grease portion. That's it. I hope it helps somebody who looking for a similar repair for the CRESSI Matrix diving and snorkeling mask. Thanks for watching.